Meanwhile, a Jamaican oceanographer based in the U.S. has been weighing in on the mega hurricane. Dr. Peter Edwards explains that excessive heating of ocean temperatures in the Atlantic, including the Gulf of Mexico over the 18-month period, provides the perfect conditions for the extreme systems like Milton to form. But he notes that excessive global warming also plays a part.
Is a enclosed body of water. It's very hot, and so if a hurricane happens to form over it, it's going to intensify very quickly, and that is actually what we've been seeing with Helene, as well as this current hurricane that's headed towards the Florida coast. We've been pumping out carbon dioxide, extra carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases into the atmosphere, and slowly raising the temperature. And so now what we're seeing is that, these hurricanes are natural phenomena, right? They've been occurring ever since the dawn of time. However, when we have these excessive long heating periods and a general increase in temperature, it really creates the conditions for these massive hurricanes to form.
Now, Dr. Edwards, who is also an environmental economist, explains that the Caribbean can expect superstorms as well as, and he's also rather urging a better care of marine fixtures such as coral reefs to help mitigate against the impact.
To see these hurricanes that form off the coast of Western Africa head towards the region, and depending on the path and depending on the prevailing water temperatures, it is very likely that we're going to see these supercharged hurricanes continue to form. It means that we have to ensure that we are ready for them. It means keeping coastal ecosystems like mangroves and seagrasses intact. Can't keep cutting them down to make hotels, because these things are natural buffers towards hurricanes. It means making sure that our systems in place, like our, how we treat our vegetation, how we do planning on the ground, so that when we have heavy rainfall and wind events, we don't have the impacts from flooding and so on. So unfortunately, unless we continue to work as a global region, because Jamaica alone cannot solve the climate crisis, to help reduce carbon dioxide emissions and to build things properly and to conserve our trees and our coastlines, then we're expected to brace for these superstorms to continue.